You know, when we get to a beautiful spot out in nature, humans tend to get out and take a picture of it with their camera. Everyone gathers around and looks and says, oh, it's so beautiful, you know, looking from the rim of the Grand Canyon. But now that you've been painting with watercolor, I hope that you're starting to look at things a little bit differently with those watercolor eyes and thinking about, what is it about this that I'm looking at that's beautiful? What is it that's astonishing me? What is it that's making me stop in my tracks and say, whoa? And that means we have to think about how we would design something on our paper to tell other people about it. What's happening to the darks and the lights and the way that the clouds are receding behind us? And what about that singular tree that's just sort of stoically standing by itself? And what about that farm that seems to be gathered together in a sort of geometric pattern? So that's what I start to think about, is how can I tell this story? How can I tell my viewer what I love about this? And that's the job of the artist. That's your job, is to tell us your story. What did you notice when you took your walk? What did you notice this morning when you took the trash out? It's that simple. Let's keep our eyes open together. Hi, I'm Bob. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you'll go by my website at watercolorwithbob.com. Thanks so much. See you on the next lesson, and happy painting. I ain't getting any younger.